a rising global energy crisis due to the Trump-led US-Iran war. Energy security in the Indian Ocean region is a big concern, and if not addressed well, can shatter many smaller economies. As a stronger economy in the zone, Delhi is playing a critical role. Hence, India is advancing strategic energy projects in Sri Lanka. Both Delhi and Colombo share a relationship built on trust. During Sri Lanka's 2022 crisis, India stepped in quickly with 1.9 billion US dollars in emergency loans, along with 4 lakh tons of fuel and 65,000 tons of fertilizer. Now, these moves strengthened India's role in the island nation and also helped counter China's influence in the region to an extent. Across the Park Strait region, near the historic Ram Setu corridor, Delhi is initiating a new energy link with Colombo. India is pushing ahead with its long-term energy connectivity plans through Trincomalee oil farm and cross-border oil pipeline. On April 19th, Indian Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri confirmed that the projects were discussed between Sri Lankan President Anura Dissanayake and India's Vice President Dr. C.P. Radhakrishnan during his visit to Colombo. Delhi has stressed on the need to move quickly on these strategic projects. Misri's pronounced emphasis on no further time to lose said it all. Both sides agreed to speed up work on the oil hub. They noted that faster completion would have helped during global energy disruptions, including the ongoing West Asia crisis.
The Vice President mentioned, as I said, some initiatives that are underway from the Indian side and some proposals that have already been discussed between the two countries, notable amongst them the project related to the energy hub in Trincomalee and the proposal to link India and Sri Lanka through an oil pipeline. And in fact, the point was made as to the value of such energy connectivity, especially at a time like now when the entire world and this region especially is facing the fallout of an energy crisis generated by the situation in West Asia.
So last year, India, Sri Lanka and UAE had signed this agreement. The pact envisages a pipeline and an integrated storage facility at Trincomalee. The site already houses a 99-tank complex built during the British era. But only 14 tanks are currently operational, that too managed with Indian company support. The project strengthens India's role in regional energy security and Indian Ocean supply chains. Beijing is expanding its footprint in Sri Lanka through infrastructure projects and maritime connectivity. Chinese firms are entering fuel distribution and retail with targeted plans around Hambantota. Now, this signals growing Chinese involvement in Sri Lanka's day-to-day energy supply chain. However, India's presence follows a different model focused on long-term energy integration. Through Indian Oil and local partnerships, India is active in fuel imports, storage and retail networks. Sri Lanka can never undermine India's support under PM Modi in initiating fast support during the economic crisis. Colombo has repeatedly acknowledged the critical and much needed unconditional help from Delhi. Against this backdrop, Trincomalee, a strategically located natural harbour, is being developed as a key energy hub. India plans for storage, distribution and potentially refining capacity at the harbour. This project also involves the UAE bringing in investment and expertise. So let us understand the impact of India-Sri Lanka oil pipeline project. A more stable and continuous fuel supply, reduced dependence on shipments by sea, stronger integration in supply, storage and distribution facilities across the region. This is expected to enhance regional resilience and support greater stability and self-reliance in the Indian Ocean Pacific region. Ultimately, it reinforces India's role in the region while contributing to a more diversified and balanced supply chain systems.